I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have.
Hey guys, welcome back to Real Living, and welcome if you're new. So today's video is pretty short compared to pretty much any video that I normally post. It's only about 10 minutes long, but obviously I try to, here lately at least, I've been trying to get a lot more stuff out for you guys and trying to post on Wednesday as well as my normal Saturday videos. So I was able to get the yard mowed, and I wanted to share it with you guys because mowing yards is probably one of my favorite types of videos to watch. I just find it so satisfying to watch the long grass and the overgrown yards just turn into beautiful yards and landscapes, and I just find it super satisfying. So I wanted to share it with you guys and go ahead and get this video out on Wednesday, which is today, and give you guys some good satisfying footage. I probably won't talk too much throughout this video because it is just mowing, so I figured I'd put music on and just let y'all enjoy some of the satisfying footage. But unfortunately, I did not get a before and after. I was just so caught up trying to get everything done that I just completely spaced on it. So hopefully you guys still enjoy this video, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Do you guys like the mowing and yard landscaping type of videos? What kind of videos are you guys into? What are some ideas you would like for my Wednesday videos and things like that? Drop me a comment down below and let me know.
Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright.
On this part of the yard here, you'll actually see that I am kind of going over it multiple times, and that is mainly so that I don't have a lot of thick blades of grass or too much bulked up in one area. Try to go back and forth over it to kind of mulch it up a little bit, and then I try to blow it in the direction of some of those bare spots to hopefully get some of the seeds from the grass to adhere to the dirt and go ahead and get some of those bare spots growing some grass again. It usually works. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. I don't know what these bare spots are or why they won't grow grass, but that is the idea of why I keep going back and forth so much, is just to kind of break it down a little bit and then blow it into the areas where there's not so much grass growing.
It's you and I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels, just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put a smile upon your face. Maybe make your worries go away. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride.
rundown house on this side is actually part of our property as well. We do plan on tearing that trailer down and putting a new one there, and that is where we are hoping to move to in the future. We don't know how long in the future, but that's the plan. Tear that one down and put a new one there, and then go from our house just right across the yard to the new house. But I wanted to get over here and get all of this mowed, and you will see the big field. It can get very, very overgrown if we don't keep up on it. So I do try to take care of this field at least once a week to once every 2 weeks, depending on how much rain we get. But we've been getting a lot of rain lately, so I needed to get everything mowed. So after I got my yard mowed, I moved over to the rest of the property and got the side and the field completely mowed, and I was able to get it all done in just under 2 hours. So I think I did pretty good. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Give me some more ideas of some Wednesday videos. Obviously, I'm going to try to stick with videos that don't necessarily go along with my Saturday videos. So because I have some deep cleaning and stuff like that going on inside the house, I decided to go ahead and put this mowing footage out for today on Wednesday. So to kind of break it up, so if it doesn't go with my original footage that I'm going to post for Saturday, I will post it on Wednesdays. But I am also open to any ideas, things that you guys want to see, and stuff like that. So drop me a comment down below, let me know what you think, and I will see you all on Saturday.